ntabwo intwarira umwanya gusubizanya batuvuga cyangwa tuvuga uko bashatse, ariko nagira ngo mbonereho uyu mwanya ngire ibyo mvuga bibasubiza, bibwira abantu abo aribo bose bagifitemo uruhare muri iki kibazo. Nzongera hashize igihe nanone, niyo mpamvu nshaka kuvuga byinshi byo nabitse bimaze igihe ntasubiza. Ndabivuga uyu munsi, nzongera hashize igihe, ariko ubwo bizara ko abo mbabwira bumva. Ikibazo cya Congo kirimo ibintu byinshi. Mu Congo, u Rwanda, M23, FDLR, MONUSCO, international community, envoys, ibintu byose. Turi benshi bakwiye kuba bafite ibyo dukora. Ariko uko mvuza twese uko mbivuze, uko byari bikwiye. First of all, it should be a shame to all these people that we are so many, we have so much in terms of means. We claim to want to resolve the problem. It's actually simple to resolve, in my opinion, but it never gets resolved for decades. And of Congolese problems, of the problems of DRC, before that, Zaire, and so on and so forth, I'm just talking about the problems of the last few decades. I'm not going into 60s, I'm not going into late 50s. No, I'm just talking about the last nearly 30 years now. You would wonder, I'm sure people should be asking themselves, how can these problems that relate to Rwanda, that relate to DRC, that relate to all these groups I'm talking about, that relate to the whole region, that relate to the powerful countries that so much talk about humanitarian crisis and human rights and all kinds of things, and really speak up for wanting to resolve all this. Sit with this kind of a situation and just keep massaging it and blaming everybody else except them for these problems. And it's unfortunate that while I'm saying I've given a short list of parties concerned, countries and so on, but it has become so convenient for long that all problems are put on the shoulders heavily on the shoulders of Rwanda. Rwanda is always the culprit in all this. It's not FDLR, it's not the government of Congo that should be responsible for its problems and people. It's not the UN. It's not the powerful countries, mainly America, UK, France. ETC? No, it's Rwanda. It's Rwanda all the time. And it's M23 because of Rwanda. So it still comes back to Rwanda. It's not FDLR, the remnants of people who carried out genocide here. It's not the government of Congo, for many reasons. Reasons being, I started by saying here that we don't have means. Well, but we have weights. We don't have means, but we have weights. But we don't have means. And that's why, in comparison, Rwanda and Congo, there is more, much more, much more. Congo offers to these people than Rwanda. So naturally, these people must tread carefully when they are dealing with the Congo's problems. They must even assist Congo to alleviate their pain by transferring the blame they should have, put somewhere else. And the easiest place to put their blame is Rwanda. You know, kuna proverb. Hapa mnajua Kiswahili? Mnaelewa? Kwa Kiswahili shamba ya ndizi, mnaelewa? Kuna migomba. Na kuna majani. Migomba yani banana stem. Majani ikiwa banana leaves. Kwa migomba kuna migomba mifupi na migomba mirefu. Kwa sababu Waafrika wanatumia sana majani ya migomba kufanya kazi nyingi mbalimbali, kupika chakula nini. Wakienda kwa shamba la ndizi, ile majani wanayokata ni yale ya migomba mifupi. Ndio. When they go to banana plantation, because Africans use a lot of many things they use banana leaves for. The banana leaves they cut are the banana leaves of short banana stems. Ile mrefu sana wanaacha. Sasa hao watu wanafikiria sisi ni migomba mifupi. kwa sababu ya geography, yani si nchi ndogo tu, au resources, minerals, vitu vingine. Wale wana vingi sana, sisi hatuna. So they would rather go for the short, lakini bwana wanajidanganya kweli. Sisi kwa ufupi wetu hatuna means, lakini tuna ways. Na tuko imara, hujajua, hujui, huwezi kaelewa imara tulivyo. Those who think they can keep picking, cutting our banana leaves because we are short stems, boy, you don't know how much you have deceived yourselves. Yes, they even say we are accused of stealing the wealth, the minerals of Congo. One thing we are not, and that's what makes us what I've just said. We are not thieves.